In Waffle Flower's September release, you will find the highly requested Color Swatches for Inkpads that includes everything you need to swatch out your stamping inks. For those of you who are already thinking about holiday cards, you'll find the cutest witch in Hocus Pocus to help you cast your spell around Halloween, the most adorable pumpkins in Stitched Harvest to help you get that cross-stitch look without a needle or thread. You'll also find Cookie Time that highlights the popular cookie baking and exchange activities around the holiday season, along with the precious Gingerbread House Die to complete your tags or cards. Since we're on the topic of food, you'll also find the sweetest confections in sweet treats and the cutest veggies in We Blend. Let's take a closer look at all the fun products in this new release. First up, we want to help you stay organized. The new Color Swatches for Inkpads stamp set will help you rein in your supplies. This stamp set can be combined with our Color Swatches stamp set and Swatch stamp set to help you get a handle on your inks. Use these stamps to stamp out your ink colors on the 24 swatch grid, square swatches, 2-color mixing chart, and the mixing swatch. Moving along to the Hocus Pocus stamp set and matching dies. Beware, you may be bewitched by the sweet characters featured in this stamp set. Use them to concoct a mixture of fun and playfulness for Halloween cards, or even create a birthday greeting to witch someone a happy birthday. Next up is the newest addition to the Stitched collection. The Stitched Harvest stamp set and matching dies are perfect for creating a cross-stitched handmade look. Whether for fall or Thanksgiving, you'll love this 2-layer layering stamp set. Combine the cutest pumpkins, acorns, leaves, and the happiest piece of pie for a fall card your recipient will love. Now it is cookie time. If cookie baking is your Christmas tradition, Cookie Time's stamp set and matching dies are for you. Use the cutest bakers from this set to stamp scenes that recreate your cherished moments. Whether they are working at the countertop, celebrating by the tree, or taking their cookies from the stove, these cute characters will help you usher in the holidays. Also this month, check out the Gingerbread House Standalone Die. Assemble an adorable gingerbread house in seconds. Use paper piecing to customize your house and add it to gift tags, cards, and more. Birthdays are especially important during the holiday season. The Sweet Treats stamp set and matching dies are perfect for creating delicious birthday greetings for your favorite sweet tooth. With an assortment of adorable cakes, cupcakes, and cookies, you are sure to be able to whip up a perfect homemade card. If smoothies are more your style, then you must check out the We Blend stamp set and matching dies. The friendly fruits and vegetables are so much fun to color. Just like everyone has their favorite smoothie flavor, this stamp set features cute images that are easy to mix and match to blend up the perfect recipe for a fabulous card. All Waffle Flower stamp sets are made from high-quality photopolymer right here in the USA. The dies are made from steel, also crafted right here in the United States. The stamp sets and matching dies are available individually or as combos, and all the stamp sets, matching dies, and standalone dies are available at waffleflower.com. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more creative ideas.